Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate AI videos using Kling AI. You can generate images, videos, sounds. You can edit your images as well here. You can also pick from these options on what kind of video you want to make. So I think, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think I might want to make this. How much? Okay, 70. Let's do the 41 here. I want to recreate this here, so this is a prompt, so I'm just going to select recreate. You can even change the prompt as well. For instance, I don't want AI to slice an orange. I want it to be, let's say, like a pineapple. Then I'm just going to select generate. It's going to take so long to generate, but I have generated like one video, which is this one. But it does take a few. Okay, the system is temporarily down, but you can basically just like generate, and you already have you are given credits already. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.